Make a great choice today with the 2016 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires front all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.